Question 47. Your company is migrating its on-premises data center into the cloud. As part of the migration, you want to integrate Google Kubernetes Engine, GKE, for workload orchestration. Parts of your architecture must also be PCI DSS-compliant. Which of the following is most accurate? A. App Engine is the only compute platform on GCP that is certified for PCI DSS hosting. B. GKE cannot be used under PCI DSS because it is considered shared hosting. C. GKE and GCP provide the tools you need to build a PCI DSS-compliant environment. D. All Google Cloud services are usable because Google Cloud Platform is certified PCI compliant. Key considerations. 1. PCI DSS compliance. The Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, PCI DSS, requires that companies handling cardholder data follow specific security measures to ensure data is protected. When using cloud services, compliance with PCI DSS is crucial, particularly when using services like Google Kubernetes Engine, GKE, for managing workloads. 2. GKE and PCI DSS. While Google Cloud offers various services that can be configured for PCI DSS compliance, it is essential to recognize that not all services are inherently compliant out of the box. GKE provides the flexibility to build a compliant environment, but compliance depends on how the service is configured and the implementation of security measures such as encryption, access controls, and logging. 3. Google Cloud compliance. Google Cloud provides the necessary tools and documentation for implementing PCI DSS compliance in its services. This includes ensuring that the underlying infrastructure meets specific security controls, but it's up to the user to configure their environment to meet compliance requirements. Analysis of options. 1. A. App Engine is the only compute platform on GCP that is certified for PCI DSS hosting. Incorrect. While App Engine is a fully managed platform and can support PCI DSS workloads, it is not the only GCP service certified for PCI DSS. Other services, such as GKE, can also be configured to meet PCI DSS compliance requirements. 2b. GKE cannot be used under PCI DSS because it is considered shared hosting. Incorrect. GKE can be used in a PCI DSS compliant environment, provided that the service is properly configured. The notion that GKE is shared hosting is not a valid reason to disallow its use for PCI DSS workloads. Compliance can be achieved by configuring GKE and implementing appropriate security measures. 3c. GKE and GCP provide the tools you need to build a PCI DSS compliant environment. Correct solution. Google Cloud, including GKE, provides the necessary tools to enable PCI DSS compliance. Users can configure GKE clusters, apply necessary security controls, and leverage other GCP services, such as cloud logging, cloud storage, and IAM, to build a compliant environment. It is essential to follow Google's best practices for compliance. 4d. All Google Cloud services are usable because Google Cloud Platform is certified PCI compliant. Incorrect. While Google Cloud Platform, GCP, as a whole is PCI compliant, not all services are automatically compliant for all workloads. Users must ensure that they implement the right security controls and configurations to meet PCI DSS requirements for each specific service used. Correct answer. C. GKE and GCP provide the tools you need to build a PCI DSS compliant environment. GKE and GCP provide the flexibility and tools needed to create a PCI DSS compliant environment, but users must configure the services according to PCI DSS requirements.